This is the second skill cue for standard number 3, accessing resources. And this one is all about accessing services and getting help when you need it. So our action word is act. A, acknowledge. C, check the severity and consider your options. And T, take action. So let's look at the steps for this skill cue so that you can confidently access services and seek help in your life when you need it. Step 1 is acknowledge. And this is all about recognizing the warning signs and red flags in your life that something's not right and that you need help. Step 2 is C, check the severity and consider your options. So first thing, we want to check the severity. Take a moment to consider, how big is the issue that's going on? Is it yellow? Okay, something's a little bit off, but it's nothing major. Orange, okay, getting to be a bigger deal. I need to really think about this. Or is it a red situation where it's a complete emergency and you need to take immediate action? And then as you check the severity, you can consider your options accordingly. So if it's yellow, maybe that is reaching out to a friend or another trusted adult. If it's orange, maybe it's something that you need to talk to your most trusted adult and they may need to seek other help. Or is it red? That's a 911 or a crisis hotline, something that you need to take care of immediately and you need expert help with that. And then step 3 is to take action. So follow through with that choice, whatever option you have decided is best for you, to follow through and actually take action to seek help and to seek services. So those are the skill cues for standard number 3, accessing resources, specifically so you can access services and get help when you need it in your life.